Hi guys, thanks for joining me. For this video we'll be showing the different types of material finishes and materials used on the most popular types of bags that we do. These include Woodwork floppy filter bags, shaker socks, envelope types such as Dalamatic and multi-pocket filter bags. Here are a few examples of the multi-pocket filter bag. This is the standard 350 gram polyester needle felt with a glazed on the collection side. It's good for up to 150 degrees temperature and is the most popular by far of all the ones we supply. The next filter material is Antistatic or Epitropic. Now this is the same as the standard one with a 350 gram with a glaze on the collection side, but as you can see there's like a checkered pattern which is a scrim that's woven into the material. Around about 5 or 6% of the material is a conductive material. And again, this is good for up to 150 degrees. The next material type is UCF, which stands for Universal Chemical Finish. It's the same 350 gram polyester needle felt bag with a glazed finish, but alongside that there's a repellent coating which is repellent to water, oils. As you can see, it just rolls off, so it's great for any moisture or sticky materials. The next material we're going to look at is the Nomex, which is a flame retardant material. It's made out of a slightly heavier 400 gram polyester needle felt and is got a scrim finish which is the yellow in colour and will resist temperatures up to 220 degrees. We do other combinations and finishes. Here's a list. Thanks for watching, and if you've got any questions please drop us a line and don't forget to like and share.